Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back. In today's video we'll start learning about buttons. Now buttons are the basic or one of the basic ways that the user can interact with your application. So it's very important to understand how buttons work and how to work with them, around them, and how to pass functions, change text, etc. So let's get started by creating first button. I will name it btn for short, and it will be tk.button. We created object of the button class. Now, as you already know, we need to attach it to a certain window. So first parameter will be window. The second parameter will be the text we want to display on this button. So let's do that. Text will be click me. Now finally, you already know that also that we need to pack it so it can be displayed on the window. So we'll say btn.pack. Let's run it, see if we get results, and we do. We have our button here, but as you can see, we click it, nothing is happening because we did not attach any event to this button. So how we do that? First, we need to create a function. This function does something meaningful, and once we click this button, something will happen. Now, since we are doing scripting here the procedural way, not object-oriented way, we need to declare the function before the declaration of the button. Now, if you are using object-oriented style of Python, that's a different story. But here we need to define the function before the declaration of the button. So I will name this function click, and what we should do, maybe let's change the text and label. So label 1 or just label dot configure, and this method we call once we need to change a value for a widget. Now this value could be anything we need to change. You can see here that we have many parameters. If you want to change any parameter in these, you can call the configure method. And what we need to do now is that say text equals to user click me. So we done the method. We need now to attach this method to a button. So let's do that. We say command equals to clicked. Now, no parentheses, just the name of the method. Why? Because we are here just attaching this method to this button. Now, once the user click this method, once the user click this button, then we are calling the method to execute. So, let's run it one more time. Bring it here, click, user clicked me. So successful, no problems. Let me show you finally one last thing. What will happen if we declare the function after the declaration of the button? Run it, we get an error. That's it for me guys in this video. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video.